first out target, you can see the 26,000, right? So next would be channel top, that's at 26,100. After that, it would be the Fibonacci extension level of 61. So anything at 61, downside or upside, Fibonacci extension or retracement, whichever it is, anything about 61% would be big moves, or big mega moves, and it's like a real breakout. It happens, but most of the time it fizzles out. The move fizzles out at near 61%. So you have to be careful there, especially when the market is heated up. So that's the levels: 26,100 and then 26,300, which is the Fibonacci 61 levels. That's the levels you really watch out for. Now, downside, you have the moving average that's way down at 25,393. So it's 25,400 is where the Fibonacci retracement is. Before we have the 25,850 zone where it was consolidating. That's the first support. If that support is gone, then it can fall to the 25,500 zones. After that, it can go to the 25,000 zone where the support is coming in confluence with a level where the previous breakout happened. So yeah, plenty of supports there. That's what Nifty is also. Banknifty, on the other hand, is having a good support at 53,348, where the breakout of the neckline of that cup pattern. And the first after that there is this 53,000 rounding number, and then 52,500 rounding number. That's the support on the downside. On the upside, breaking that 54,250 would be the first task. That would be the all-time high that was made yesterday, and that would be the first resistance. And today it managed to close above the 54,000 comfortably. In fact, above 54,100. So after that, the Fibonacci 61 is where it is, and if that is taken out, then we can expect big moves that can take it to 78 levels, which is at 55,500. You have 55,000 also. So the resistance 55,000, 55,400, 500, that zones. But before that, 54,250 has been taken out where the previous all-time high is made. Right, so that's the support resistance in the Banknifty. So tomorrow is the Nifty expiry. PZR is bullish 1.31, bullish, extremely bullish. Monthly expiry it is, so it can be very volatile. Careful about that. And the highest resistance seen at 27,000, long way to go. And first support 25,000, long way to go on downside also. In between you have the 25,500, which can actually support So if big moves happen, it can happen on both sides. That's why the option riders are seeing levels at the 27,000 where the highest call writing is in, and 25,000 where the highest put writing is in. So PZR is also extremely bullish, and then market is heated up, and yeah, you don't know what happens. An expiry, it's a monthly expiry, so things can be very, very volatile, right? If that 54,100 levels, right? That does not have too many speculations because it's already over. The expiry is over, so we'll have to look at the next October 1st expiry. It's also not giving much clues, except that a good support is there at 54,000. So that's about it. And FIs have been buying strongly, but yesterday they were sellers. But net to net in the entire month, the FIs have bought in big time, right? And monthly, if you see, it's at 26,000 crores of it's 40,000 crores of buying that has come in, and is also booking some profits. So yesterday it was some kind of selling that came in from the FIs. Monthly, it is a big FI money flow coming in, and that's a good thing. So that's all for today. And otherwise, if you look at the markets across the sectors, you have the FMCG that did not perform today. Yesterday also they didn't perform. Mid cap and small cap is showing some pressure, selling pressure. Mid cap has gone down 400 points. That's not great. So you have to be cautious again. Broader markets are not doing great. So otherwise, all the other sectors, reality, energy, metal, pharma, everything is going good, except auto is flattish. But the main thing that got hit was FMCG, right? Otherwise, so fingers crossed for the next expiry.